welcome again to another edition of my new YouTube channel. Thanks for all my subscribers, thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments. Hi guys, and welcome to our video for today. Guys, there was this story in the paper a few weeks ago where a young man from the UK, he's 18 years old, and let me say he's black. So a black guy from the UK, 18 years old, he went to Dubai, right? He went to Dubai with his parents for holidays. So he went on holidays with his parents in Dubai. While he was there, can you imagine, 18-year-old, your parent probably pay for your trip and whatever, and all you guys go on a holiday. While he was in Dubai, apparently the rules, the laws in Dubai are different from here in the West, like places like UK and those kind of places. Now, Dubai is not one of those places that I want to go to anytime soon. And I'm sure most of those people don't want me there anyway, but that's neither here nor there. But that's not somewhere where I want to spend my money. I want to go where I'm wanted, and I know exactly where that is. Anyway, this young man, he went on holidays with his family in Dubai. He met another young lady. She's 17 years old, going on to 18 as well. She also came over from the UK. They went to Dubai for holiday as well. So she went with her family. She's 17 going on to 18. She went with her family. And the young man, he is 18, and he went to Dubai with his family. Anyway, while he was there, they met each other, right? Guys, some people act as if they were never 18 years old, they were never young. Let me see what's going on here. So, as I was saying, you have some people, they would like to act and pretend that they were not young ones, and they chastise young people so much when these people do the same thing that these grown adults are now saying that are now chastising them for. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Now, a lot of young people might not be aware of it. Even those males, it doesn't matter what age a male is, you understand me? As long as you have sexual intercourse with a female under the age of 16, then you are likely to be in trouble. So even if, right, hear me out, even if the boy is 14 years old and the girl is 16 years old, guess who is gonna get the blame? The young man in question is the one that's gonna get the blame. So we need to teach our children these things. Let our sons be aware, because maybe a lot of people might be thinking, because the child is under 18, he's not gonna be liable to be prosecuted. But that's not the case. That is not the case at all. You understand me? So then what happened to this young man now? He went with his family, the girl went with his family, they met each other, they decided to go to take it a bit further, and they do the EBGB, yeah, they did that thing. And girl mother find out that boy did that thing to her daughter. And because girl mother knows the laws and the rules in Dubai, because To me, this is just pure wickedness. Yeah, a wickedness. And when I read some of the comments our people are saying, but he broke the rules, so what do you expect? We are not denying the fact that he went to a new country and he broke the rule and he did what he should not have done. And I'm sure he was not aware of it, because a lot of these young people, come on man, 17 and 18 years old, how many of them gonna understand that you're in the UK and you're doing something perfectly legal in the UK? A lot of these young people are just gonna assume that's how other countries are. And before you guys come in the comment and start judging, I'm not saying that he's right for doing what he has done, and he has not done due diligence to make sure so he knows of the rules of the country where he's going. His parents, if he didn't know, his parents that took him to that forsaken place. I don't know why black people love go to Dubai. I do not know why black people love go to Dubai, but I know who's not going there. But if you are going to take your child to Dubai, as a black person, as a mature black person, you should know the rules of engagement. You should know how things go. So you, as a parent, you should have sat down and spoke to your son and let your son know exactly how this thing go. But you see what the thing is, a lot of you parents do not speak to your kids. When it comes on to important matters, you guys expect your kids to know. I don't know if you're scared of speaking to your kids, but let the kids them know the facts of life. Stop beat around the bush and hide things from them, because you used to be young as well, and you probably used to go and thief your little piece with your boyfriend or your girlfriend the same. So it doesn't make any sense now when you start having kids. You're gonna think that oh, my child is very, very special and he's not gonna do this and you need to speak to your kids so that they can know what is going on. So now, after the girl and the boy started dating each other and they took it to the other level, the girl mom found out what was happened, and she went into her daughter's phone, and then she saw messages between the daughter and the young man, and she realized that the daughter give away something. She realized her 17, almost 18-year-old daughter gave away the thing. So why? You see, I'm not even got, just like how some people blaming the boy, you could also look at it under that perspective and say, but the young lady know what her family is like. She know what her tribe is like. And I'm sure that her tribe really don't want to have nothing with the black boy tribe. So she knew that. But still, she could break the rules. And then now, bam sicker, look what happened to the little boy. Because to me, both of them are little kids. But I think the mother is very malicious. The girl's mom, obviously she's an older, more mature lady. She knows what is taking place in those countries. And I can be almost 100% sure that lady is also not a black woman. No. That girl family, no black. We all know what the possibility of what they're looking like. And the people in the comment, they're showing no mercy to the young man. And I know the reason why they're not showing him no mercy. Because of how he looks. And a lot of people will not want to admit it. But because he's black, they treat him, it's like they give him in the hardest. It's like, don't get me wrong, I know that every country have rules and regulation. So that is not what I am commenting about. So please do not come in the comment and say to me why he break the rules, why the break. I'm not going to delete no comment. Anyway, because that's not what I'm saying, right? Anyway, me fault the boy parent, because the parent should have told their kids what they're going into. Because me not care my kids them go to Dubai. And to tell you the truth, a couple weeks ago, my son went to Dubai and I was shitting myself. And my child is a good kid, but then again, every parent is gonna say their children are good kid, but my son a good kid. And when my child went to Dubai, me have diarrhea for the whole time because me I don't know what is got. But before he went, I told him everything what I need to tell him, and he done his own research, and he's 19, so he's not far away from the young man that find himself in a pickle at the moment. You understand me? And for the entire time my child was in Dubai, I kid you not, I will wish it in myself. The only time that I felt safe was when my son told me that the aircraft is actually in the sky on his way out of Dubai. That was the only time I could relax myself. But I don't know why black people like to take up themselves and go to these countries that they know they're not wanted, but they still try to force themselves in a situation where people, people would be very harsh on them. I'm not doing that, but it's quite sad when people continue to do that, to go and give their money to people that don't like them or anything like that. Anyway, my love, the girl mother never do a thing more than after she find out say something take place between the guy and our daughter, she never do a thing more than report it to the police. Say the guy have sex with an underage girl, and it doesn't matter say he is just a few months older than her. That not taken into account. It's like she's punishing the guy for the decision that her daughter chose to take. I don't know if she said, probably she has said the daughter this another family name. Worse, it's with a black man, cause them people don't like black people, and that's just the God Almighty truth. Yeah, and that situation with the little black boy, it hurt me so much because it could be my son. You understand me? It could be my son. And these people do not have no sympathy for our kids. Like, whenever our kids do anything, they try to speak about them in the most harshest way, in the most negative and degrading way. But when someone who is from the Caucasian background does something, when the whitey them do something, people are more sympathetic towards them. And this is just really sad that it is like that. Yeah, it's quite sad. So as I was saying on this tragic story, no, the girl's mom, she reported him to the authorities, and they have locked him up. And according to this report from the BBC, he's looking at about 1 year in prison, and the daughter walk away scotch-free, right? So she decided that is a wicked, I think that woman is a wicked woman to destroy the young man's life. 1 year in jail. Oh my God. I tell you, those countries are not countries that black people especially should aspire to go through. I don't know why a lot of us want to go to those places, but me personally, I don't want to go to them places there. Right? And I don't care if those type of people like me or them don't like me at all. But I'm not putting myself in that situation where, But the mother wicked. The mother is a wicked woman because she know the law, and that almost come like she abuse the system because she know what can happen if punish the guy. So now that the guy is gonna get 1 year in jail, what is she gonna do to punish her daughter? What is she gonna do? But this whole thing is just so unfortunate, because if this happened in the UK, not child would never ever come out of it because they're of age to do whatever it is that they want to do. So now this guy, she ruined this guy's life. He's 18. He's gonna be spending 1 year in jail. And For what? For what? Because I'm sure that little girl, it wasn't her first time. Because them pitting their bad. Them kind of pitting their bad. All in them batty hole, then take things. Because them not want them parents know what go on. And that they do all the time. Those kind of people, then they are known for take things in them batty hole. Because they're trying to preserve them virginity for a longer time, because obviously not in their culture that's a big thing. And I'm not here to say whether that is right or not. That is just not my business. So I'm not having a debate on whether that is right or wrong. But me just tell us a whole heap of them take it through them back door because them are preserve the front door. And a wickedness this woman have done to this child, this is God Almighty truth. This is total wickedness, because she knows that if she did there UK and they both did that, nothing would not come out of it. Nothing would not come out of it. But I punish you and punish the child more because I'm black. Anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think about this, and I will see you in the next clip. Jaja.